How are you doing today? Good. I'm also fine. I want us to learn music and movement, and our topic today is musical instrument. I want us to start with a song. Okay, are you ready? Nice. I'm a great musician, what can you play me? I can play a guitar, guitar, guitar. I can play a guitar, guitar. I'm a great musician, what can you play me? I can play our day day, what day day, what day day. I can play our day day, what day day. I'm a great musician, what can you play me? I can play a piano, piano, piano. I can play a piano, piano. That's a wonderful song. Now today, as I have said, we are learning about musical instruments. And these are the instruments that we use when we are singing songs. Where do we find musical instruments? Mostly, we find musical instruments in a church. Okay? Good. And sometimes you can find musical instruments in entertainment places. Okay? And now, do you know some of the musical instruments? Can you tell me some of them that you know? One. Good. Another one. Another one. Good. I know there are very many, okay? But I want to mention several of them, okay? And look at my board here. You will see I have musical instruments, okay? I have musical instruments. I want to look here at the first picture. Here, what do we call this musical instrument? This one, we call it flute. Can you say flute? Good. This is a wind instrument whereby we blow it like this and then it produces some sound. Okay? Like this. Okay? It is a flute. This is one of the musical instruments. Another one we have here, we call it shaker. Okay? Have you ever seen like this one? A shaker. So that can produce a sound and then you accompany the song with this instrument. You need to shake it like this. Okay? If you're singing like that one. I'm a great musician, what can you play me? I can play a shaker, shaker, shaker. And then it produces what? A sound that you accompany with a song. Another here I have a musical instrument. What do we call this one? Good, we call it a guitar. Okay, and for it we usually use it when we are singing, and then you pluck it like this. Okay, and you get, you know, it produces very sweet sound, and you hold it like this. You can see it, and then you pluck like this, plucking. Okay, and when you are doing that, it produces some sound. Another one we have here is a piano. Can you tell me, in your place of worship, do you have a piano? Most of the people in the places of worship, they have a piano. Okay, and still you do it like this and it produces sound. Another musical instrument, it is this one. We call it wadede. Okay, wadede. And here, wadede, it is this instrument, and we have a bow. And we use this one to pluck here like this to produce sound. So you hold this one like this, and then and mostly this one, it is a traditional violin. Okay, so you know a violin, we hold it like this and then for it to produce a sound, you do like this. This is the traditional one and we call it wadede. We have a lot of musical instruments. Do you know others? Like drum set. Very good. Okay, we have a kayamba. There are very many, even they cannot fit here. A kayamba, we usually do it like this. Another one. That's wonderful. There are very many, but I want us to learn only this one first. Can you say flute? Shaker. Good. Guitar. Piano. Wadede. Very good. Now, I want to give you assignment, okay? I want you sit down with your parents and I want you to make for me a shaker. What do we use? You use just sticks, okay, and bottle tops, okay, especially for soda, okay, and then a string. You make a very nice shaker. And then next lesson, somebody you come and mark for you whether you have done it the best, whether you have made a very beautiful one, okay? Bye. Till next lesson.